Ano ba talaga ang best state ng butter para sa pagbe-bake ng cookie? Softened butter kasi ang karaniwang nakalagay sa mga cookie recipes. Pero may mga nagsasabing mas okay daw ang melted butter. At yung iba naman sinasabi na mas okay daw ang cold butter. Medyo nakakalito? Let's put it to the test to clarify. First and foremost, you have to be clear kung ano bang klase ng cookie ang gusto mo. Gusto mo ba yung super chewy, soft and gooey, soft and chewy, or chewy and gooey? Depende kasi sa gusto mong texture yung estado ng butter na dapat mong gamitin, and this kitchen experiment will help you. Dito kasi, ipinapakita natin kung ano yung pagkakaiba ng cold butter versus softened butter versus soft butter versus melted butter pagdating sa texture. Specifically, yung crunch sa edges, chewiness, softness, at gooiness sa center. So in conclusion, if you want a super chewy cookie, consider using soft butter. Sabi nila, melted butter daw for the chewiest cookie. But upon testing, ang napansin ko, mas soft and chewy ang texture kapag gumamit ng melted butter instead of just being super chewy. Kapag naman gusto mo ay very gooey and thicker ang iyong cookie, use cold butter. And lastly, if you want na medyo chewy lang, medyo gooey lang, yung parang nasa gitna, use softened butter. If this helped you, make sure to follow for more kitchen experiments. Sa uulitin!